Hello everyone and welcome back to Lingua Lidiya. Today we are going to talk about the difference between get and become. So how do I know when to use get and when to use become? If the answer is I don't know, don't worry about it, because help is on its way. Both get and become mean begin to be, but they're slightly different, and get is far more common. Get and become can be interchangeable, which means both of them can be used, but get has several other meanings as well. Get is often used with an adjective when things are changing. Get is more common in recent spoken English, and it is often used with a comparative. Become can be used with an adjective or a noun, and it refers to a complete change. For example, London has become a cleaner, safer city. Both get and become can be followed by adjectives. In this case, both of them indicate growth or development. Let's have a look at the following. She got upset when she remembered she forgot to save her presentation, which is informal. She became upset when she remembered she forgot to save her presentation, which is formal. I got interested in learning languages when I spent a year traveling. I became interested in learning languages when I spent a year traveling. As she got older, she got better at cooking. As she became older, she became better at cooking. It got colder and colder the higher we climbed. It became increasingly cold as we climbed higher. So as you can see, sometimes there is no or very little difference. You can use get or become and it won't be a mistake. So they are interchangeable. Let's have a look at some examples where you can't use both get and become. Get cannot be used with a noun to indicate development or change. In this case, only become is possible. So, she became a teacher, not she got a teacher. He became a dentist, not he got a dentist, because that sounds like he went shopping and bought a dentist for himself. When get is followed by a noun or pronoun, it means obtain, buy, fetch, receive, or acquire. I have to get the 2 o'clock bus, not I have to become the bus. Did you get my message? Not did you become my message. Could you get me a cup of coffee? Not could you become me a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave these in a comment section below. Have a good day. Bye!